there. We're gonna be switching this one. Oh, it's in my car. But this out. This is an update. We got that one, but we're gonna replace this one. Oof. We're gonna replace this one. It's really cracky. We're gonna replace this one. It's leaking. And then we'll replace this one. Okay, so everything went to shit, but I'm gonna replace that hose. Sorry, the sun's in the way, but it's just easier if I just take the whole piping out. I could replace this one if I have extra, but there's a 10 mil deep, sorry if you can't see it, somewhere in there. And now that I got it out, I'm gonna disconnect this, pull it out, replace the top, and then replace this one. Yeah. Okay, so now the new one's in. All the hoses are, well, that hose was replaced. Oh, it's kind of shitty. Okay, you can see that hose is replaced. That hose is replaced. I did. That hose replaced. This was kind of long, so I don't know if you can see it. Oh my, it's too sunny. Ooh. So that one I replaced. It's a little bit long, so I might cut it out. But yeah, and this was all the old ones. I'll put some photos of how it all looked. Yeah, that's shit. Yeah, but that shit was on there, so I had to cut it. And then since I was replacing that, I just ordered that. This is the part number for this one, the fat one. I just have extra in here, so I left it in there. And then I replaced the clamps, so it's getting good. The update, cleaned that out, replaced it, did the power steering fluid, did that hose, that clamp, this hose. It connects over here, replace that one, replace this one. Yeah, it turns, it drives good. So I'll probably make a voiceover as to everything I did, but completely forgot to film it. But this is how it looks so far. Next is the radiator. I do my serpentine belt, drive belt, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, and then main thing is, just got that replaced.